Costa Rica's key industries, spanning tourism, textiles, machinery, chemicals, agriculture, and electronics, confront unique challenges shaped by the country's diverse geography. EDDY Pump, a leader in pumping and dredging solutions, provides customized options for Costa Rica's dominant industries. It offers advanced technology for seamless material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. EDDY Pump's lineup includes submersible slurry pumps, self-priming slurry pumps, flooded suction pumps, and cutting-edge dredge equipment. Geographic diversity, transportation infrastructure needs, climate variability, environmental considerations, and logistical efficiency demand innovative solutions. EDDY Pump steps in to address these challenges. EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps and hydraulic dredging equipment provide adaptable, environmentally compliant, and climate-resilient solutions. EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging equipment manages sediment, maintains infrastructure, complies with environmental standards, and offers adaptability to different terrains. With strategic locations in San Jose, Puerto Limón, and Alajuela, EDDY Pump stands ready to serve Costa Rica's industries. In conclusion, EDDY Pump is the preferred partner for Costa Rica's pump and dredge equipment needs. Explore our cutting-edge technology today to navigate the challenges of Costa Rica's diverse industrial landscape. Choose EDDY Pump for adaptable and sustainable solutions designed to meet the distinctive needs of Costa Rica's dominant sectors. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.